How to order a gallon of water ice? What size again? The quart?
We have quarts, we have gallons, we have
Yeah.
5 gallons.
Quart. The second biggest
Gallon.
is the gallon. I'll do that one. And
Flavor.
mango, please. Can I do a custard as well on the side?
Sure.
Like a vanilla.
Like a container of it.
Yeah. Like what size?
We have quarts.
I'll do a pint. $34.98. Mango water ice. The gallon of water ice. How much is a gallon of water ice? How much is a gallon of water ice? How much is a gallon of water ice? How